right, good morning. My name is Six. This is my Dodge Charger Hellcat, aka Bad Kitty. I'm a truck driver, and in my spare time, I try to support any kind of events that help in the community. So this is for the all ladies today.
How long you had the car?
Since 22, it's brand new. Brand new.
What made you want to get this thing?
I'm a Mopar lover, so I've had just about every model of a Dodge Charger. So I started out with just a regular 4-door regular Charger. Then I've had a Daytona. I've had a Scat Pack. This is my second Hellcat. I got a TRX truck, but I really drive my cars because I like big trucks, semi trucks. So, and also a tribute to all our veterans because I'm a veteran.
You be on the road driving them trucks fast like you drive these cars?
I drive everything slow. I drive everything slow.
Okay.
I eat for DOT purposes. I drive very slow. I do not drive fast.
So they can see you?
So they can see me. Yeah, I hit my windows tinted. I need to be, but it's okay. And then this is my tribute to veterans. So I'm a veteran. My dad was a Purple Heart. I was driving for him. So my dad was a Purple Heart. I was in the Army. And so to all our federal veterans, prisoners of wars, active duty, retired, this is for them.
Okay. Color choice. What made you want to get that color?
Smoke show. I just love it. And plus it goes with the theme, so smoke show. But I don't know. I'm usually a black car person, so all my cars have been black. But it's just something about this color. I don't know. I just love the color, the smoke show color.
So total, how many cars you working with right now?
6.
Okay.
6, like my name, 6 cars.
Any old school?
Previously, but I don't have that anymore. I had a Dunk, but we don't have that anymore. So we got a Camaro. I know I had to say Camaro and I'm a Mopar person. Camaro, a Dodge truck, like I said, another Hellcat. Oh, I can't leave out my get around car, my Honda.
Sure.
That's Ghost, the get around. And plus it's good on gas. And actually, I'm good on gas because I don't drive fast, so that's a good thing.
But single mom specifically,
Dream car. What
you
would it
being
be?
here
Actually,
allows
this is
for
my
an
dream car.
incredible